This is part 1, how to crochet round pillowcase. Start with magic ring. Chain 2. Now we'll make double crochet, 11 double crochet into that middle. So we count chain 2 as double crochet, so total will be 12. So close the magic ring. And with slip stitch, close the ring. Chain 1. We'll take yellow color, make a slip knot, so we have one chain here, and pull through that one. We'll make into the same with yellow color into that stitch double crochet. Now take blue and make double crochet into the next stitch. Take yellow into the same stitch, we'll make double crochet with yellow. So we'll go around like this. Back to blue, double crochet into the next stitch. Yellow yarn, double crochet into the same stitch. This is how it looks from the other side. Take yellow to the side with blue, double crochet into the next stitch. And yellow into the same stitch. Continue like this around. Close the ring with a slip stitch. Now chain 2. In round 2 we should have 24 double crochet stitches. So now we make a double crochet, 2 double crochet into a next stitch, then 1 double crochet into the next, and continue like this, 2 double crochet into the next stitch, and then go with 1 double crochet into the next, 2 double crochet, and 1 double crochet. Continue around, close the round with slip stitch, and you should have total 36 double crochet stitches. Round 4, make a slip knot, taking a green yarn, chain 2. Now we'll take yellow yarn, make a slip knot, and pull through that loop. Now make a double crochet into the previous stitch. So cross over double crochet. With a yellow yarn. So now we'll take green, skip 1 stitch into the next double crochet, get yellow yarn, in a previous stitch that we skipped, make a double crochet. Go back to green, and now we do not skip a stitch, but make a double crochet into the next stitch. We worked in this, make double crochet, don't skip. And with yellow we come back into the stitch into the previous stitch. So we'll continue like this. So basically we skip and make a double crochet and then come back into the stitch, but the next one we don't skip but make double crochet and come back into the stitch we already worked. So we this time we are skipping 1 and make a double crochet. With yellow we go into the stitch we skipped, now this time we do not skip but go into the next stitch, make double crochet, and with the yellow yarn we work into the previous stitch. Continue like this around. Skip 1 stitch and double crochet. yellow into the skipped stitch, double crochet, and now we don't skip but work double crochet, and then come back into the stitch that we already worked and make a double crochet. Continue like this around. So you should have 48 double crochet stitches. So those two crossover stitches count as 2, 48 total. And now finish this row with a slip stitch. This was part 1, how to crochet pillow cover. Please see part 2 to continue.